Hello, my name is Michelle. Welcome back to my classroom. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this video, I will share with you the techniques I use to pass my one-way interview with NeuABC. With NeuABC, there is a three-part demo video. There are three different scenarios where you have to demonstrate your teaching skills. So I will share with you each scenario and show you exactly what I did for each scenario. So I'm going to read for you scenario number 1. You have a student who is new to you. The goal is to build rapport with your new student. Demonstrate how you will build rapport with your new student. So I just did the same thing that I do for all of my demo videos. These strategies seem to work for me, so this is what I did. Hello, my name is Teacher Michelle. What's your name? Amy? Hello, Amy. My name is Amy. Great. Amy, how are you? Great. I am happy. Great job. Amy, how old are you? I am 5. Great job. Amy, are you ready? Let's go. And that's all I did for scenario number 1. Scenario number 2 reads, you are teaching your student the different names of family members. Suddenly, your student gets distracted and shows you his blue truck. Demonstrate how you will redirect your student's attention. So before I press record to demonstrate my teaching skills for this particular scenario, I chose to draw a picture on one of my whiteboards. So I will show you exactly what I did to redirect my student's attention. What is it? A truck? I like your truck. Billy, what color is it? Blue. Great job. It's blue. Billy, let's look. Who is it? It's Mother. Let's look. What color is her hair? It's blue. Great job. Like your truck. Great job. And that's all I did for scenario number 2. Scenario number 3 reads, your student pronounces all of the names of the family members correctly, but you notice he mispronounces the word mother. Demonstrate how you will perform positive error correction. So this is what I did for this particular scenario. Let's look. Who is it? It's my... Let's try again. Are you ready? Let's look. Who is it? It's my mother. Great job. And that's all I did for scenario number 3. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope that you found it to be helpful. If so, please give me a like and I'll see you in my next video. Teach happy. Happy teaching.